Imagine looking up at the night sky. It seems peaceful, serene, and infinite, a canvas of twinkling stars stretching far beyond our reach. But what if I told you that just above our heads, hidden from view, is a chaotic and crowded region teeming with human-made objects? Beyond the stars and planets, there's a hidden cloud of human-made objects, space debris. This invisible shroud circles our planet, growing denser with every passing year. These are leftovers from over 60 years of space exploration. Dead satellites, spent rocket stages, and even tiny flecks of paint. Each piece tells a story of past missions, technological triumphs, and sometimes, costly mistakes. All of it orbits Earth at incredible speeds, creating a hazardous junkyard above our heads. Some fragments zip around the planet at over 17,000 miles per hour, fast enough to turn even the smallest object into a dangerous projectile. Every new launch risks adding more debris, and collisions between old satellites can create thousands of new fragments in an instant. The more we send up, the more crowded and risky our orbital neighborhood becomes. It's like a highway with no cleanup crew. The more traffic, the higher the chance of catastrophic crashes. Imagine rush hour, but with no rules and no one to sweep up the wreckage. This chain reaction, called the Kessler syndrome, could make parts of Earth's orbit unusable for generations. If left unchecked, it could trap us on our own planet, cutting off access to satellites we rely on for communication, navigation, and weather forecasting. Scientists track tens of thousands of large objects, but millions of smaller, untrackable pieces still pose a threat. These tiny fragments are nearly impossible to avoid, yet they can cause catastrophic damage. Even a tiny screw, moving at 17,000 miles per hour, can destroy a satellite. The sheer speed turns harmless objects into lethal hazards, threatening billion-dollar investments and vital infrastructure. This isn't a distant problem, it's a real danger to our current and future space activities. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station regularly maneuver to avoid debris, and satellite operators must constantly monitor for potential collisions. With mega-constellations of satellites on the horizon, our cosmic backyard is about to get even more crowded. Thousands of new satellites are planned, promising better connectivity, but also increasing the risk of orbital congestion. We must find ways to manage this traffic and clean up our mess. Innovative solutions like debris removal satellites and international agreements are being developed to tackle this growing challenge. The story of space debris is about responsibility. Our actions in space have consequences. We must act now to protect the future of space exploration and the safety of our planet. Even in the vastness above, we can't ignore the impact of what we leave behind. Our crowded cosmic backyard is a reminder that stewardship extends far beyond Earth's surface. Satellites are the invisible threads that connect and guide our modern world. GPS satellites help us navigate, while weather satellites warn us of storms and track climate change. Communication satellites beam live events and calls across continents in seconds. Our global economy, from banking to farming, relies on this space-based infrastructure. Scientists use satellite data to monitor Earth's health and understand our changing planet. These aren't just gadgets, they're essential to our safety, prosperity, and daily routines. Yet, this system is fragile. The technology that powers our lives is threatened by the very debris we've created. Managing space debris is now critical to protecting the invisible network we depend on. Collisions in space aren't fender benders, they're explosive, shattering satellites into thousands of high-speed fragments. When two objects meet at orbital speeds, the energy released is immense, far greater than most explosions on Earth. The result is a violent spray of debris, each piece hurtling through space at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. Each new piece of debris becomes a bullet, threatening every other satellite in its path. Even a fragment the size of a paint chip can puncture vital equipment or destroy a spacecraft, because at these speeds, even the smallest objects carry enormous destructive power. A single crash can trigger a domino effect, multiplying the danger and making orbits unusable. This chain reaction is known as the Kessler syndrome, where debris from one collision causes more collisions, creating a runaway cascade that could trap us on Earth. This isn't just theory. In 2009, a defunct Russian satellite collided with an American one, creating over 2,300 trackable fragments. Many more pieces too small to track still zip through space, invisible threats to everything in orbit. That one event dramatically increased the risk for every satellite in low Earth orbit. Suddenly, the environment became far more hazardous, forcing operators to constantly monitor and maneuver their satellites to avoid disaster. For satellite owners, a collision means total loss, years of work, and millions of dollars gone in an instant. Insurance can't replace the science, communication, or navigation services lost, nor the trust in the safety of space, but the impact goes further. Lost services, disrupted businesses, and national security risks. Weather forecasting, GPS navigation, and global communications all depend on satellites, so a single collision can ripple through society in unexpected ways. The stakes are high for everyone who relies on space. From streaming your favorite show to coordinating disaster relief, our daily lives are tied to the health of satellites orbiting above us. The cosmic billiards game is real, and the consequences are global. Every nation, company, and individual with a stake in space is affected by the growing cloud of debris. Every collision adds to the chaos, making the need for solutions urgent. Without action, the problem will only grow, threatening the future of space exploration and the services we depend on. The future of space depends on breaking this cycle. Engineers and scientists are racing to develop new technologies to track, avoid, and even remove debris. But time is running out. We must act before the game becomes unwinnable. The fate of our space-based civilization and our connection to the stars hangs in the balance. With so much at risk, space insurance has become essential. Satellite operators insure their hardware, just like you'd insure a car or home. The market is booming, driven by more satellites and rising debris threats. Major insurers like AXA XL, Munich Re, and Lloyd's of London offer coverage for launches and in-orbit operations. Policies now include protection against debris collisions, reflecting the new realities of space. As private companies launch more satellites, insurance is critical to protect investments. The coming wave of mega-constellations will only increase demand for sophisticated coverage. Space insurance is now a cornerstone of the modern space economy. It's the financial safety net that keeps the industry moving forward. Space insurance is a truly global business, with its heartbeat in regions that are leading the charge in the new space race. As more countries and companies reach for the stars, the need to protect these valuable assets grows ever more critical. The United States stands at the forefront, driven by a powerful private sector and a relentless pace of rocket launches. American innovation and investment have set the standard, making the U.S. a hub for both technology and insurance expertise. Europe is close behind, known for its strong spirit of collaboration and a growing emphasis on sustainable practices. European agencies and companies work together, blending technical excellence with a commitment to long-term responsibility in orbit. Meanwhile, Asian markets, especially China and India, are expanding at a remarkable pace. Their ambitious space programs and rapidly growing industries are reshaping the global landscape, bringing new energy and competition to the field. Today, a single satellite might be designed and built in Europe, launched aboard an American rocket, and insured by a specialist in London, all to deliver services to customers across Asia. The space industry is a web of international connections, but with this interconnectedness comes shared risk. Debris created by one nation's activities can threaten satellites belonging to another, making space a domain where everyone's actions have global consequences. That's why global cooperation on debris mitigation and space traffic management isn't just important, it's absolutely essential for the safety and sustainability of all. The future of space depends on nations and industries working together, building trust and sharing knowledge to solve challenges that no one can tackle alone. In this new era, sustainability isn't just a choice, it's a necessity for everyone's success, ensuring that space remains open and accessible for generations to come. Insuring satellites now requires cutting-edge technology. Insurers use AI to analyze real-time data, track debris, and predict collision risks with precision. This allows for customized policies. Safer satellites pay lower premiums, incentivizing better design. Blockchain streamlines claims, using smart contracts for fast, transparent payouts. These innovations turn insurance into an active risk management tool, not just a safety net. By rewarding responsible behavior, insurers help make space safer for all. Smarter insurance is key to a sustainable future in orbit. As space evolves, so do the rules, and insurance is leading the way. New policies focus on debris and collision liability, rewarding operators who design satellites for safe deorbiting. This creates financial incentives for responsible behavior and cleanup. Insurers are also developing coverage for new ventures like space tourism and private stations. Collaborative insurance packages make space more accessible for small players, fostering innovation. These flexible products democratize access while promoting safety. Insurance is shaping the future rules of the final frontier. When a satellite is destroyed by debris, who pays? International law says the launching state is liable, but proving fault is nearly impossible. In practice, insurance handles most losses, owners file claims, and insurers absorb the cost. This spreads risk across all operators who pay premiums. If a satellite is uninsured, the owner bears the full loss, a devastating risk. That's why insurance is fundamental to the business model. Premiums are predictable, catastrophic losses are not. Insurance keeps companies afloat after disaster strikes. It's the financial backbone of the space industry. Without it, the risks would be too great for most to bear. The era of mega-constellations is here. Tens of thousands of satellites, global connectivity, and unprecedented risk. The rewards are huge, but so are the dangers of collisions and debris. We can't treat orbit as an infinite dumping ground. The future demands new technologies, like debris removal robots and global traffic management. Insurance will play a bigger role, incentivizing safer designs and responsible operations. Advanced analytics will reward good actors and penalize risky ones. Our journey into space has always balanced risk and reward. Now we must add responsibility. Through smarter tech, stronger rules, and innovative insurance, we can keep space open and safe. The final frontier's future depends on how well we manage the risks we create.